Or you want to make money on YouTube? This video only for you. Keep watch this full video, otherwise you miss some important information. You know, there are lots of ways to earn money from YouTube. The very first way is YouTube Partner Program. It's called shortly as YPP. This is one of the popular ways to earn real money in YouTube. Lots of YouTube creators are making thousands of millions of dollars using this method. If you don't trust me, YouTubers earning data available in Google. Just search and know the fact. And comment below how much you expect to earn from YouTube. But one thing, only your channel eligible for YPP when it's reached 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours within a 12-month period. Don't worry, it's very easy. Just post quality videos consistently to eligible fast. So don't wait for anything. Just post videos and start earning. Then how it's working? When YouTube approve your channel for YPP, you need to create Adsense account and link your channel with Adsense to monetize your videos. Before going to the next point, if you feel this video is helpful to you, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel now. Now you think about how I get the money. The answer is after monetization of your video, some ads will play before start your video and your channel get ad revenues for the ads. Then who pay the money? YouTube gets paid from the advertisers and YouTube gives us some percentage of the amount to our channel because we are YouTube partners. You need to know more about earning? Watch this videos also to improve your earning quality.